Hello everyone, my name is Corentin Kerbiriou. I am CEO and co-founder of Juggle. We are a French company specialized in mapping human abilities and functions. We are not the first to explore the human brain. Indeed, here is a bit of history. A long time ago, to explore the brain, we had to wait for its owner to die. We could open the skull to study the structures, the fluids, the areas. Thomas Willis was the first scientist in 1660 to release a complete study about the anatomical structure of the brain. He had a very strong feeling that a specific function, memory, was located in a specific area of the brain. Researchers went crazy about it, until 200 years later, when the French biologist Paul Broca finally had proof that some specific areas of the brain were related to functions. When his patient, who had speech disorder, passed away, Mr. Broca discovered damage in a specific area of his brain. He concluded this is Broca's area and it's related to speech. Let's jump to 1902. Only a few years after the X-rays were discovered, Harvey Cushing became the first neurosurgeon to successfully treat a brain tumor. La classe! This period is amazing. Sigmund Freud, who disagrees with Broca, explores new concepts such as desire, self-confidence, and develops new theories about psychoaffective development. Jean Piaget challenges Freud and explores children's cognitive and intellectual development. Henri Wallon brings Freud and Piaget together, understanding that the children's major steps of development exist, but they differ from one child to another. He says this depends on the biological maturation of the brain and the social interactions between the children and its social environment. Vygotsky, like Wallon, believed that learning comes with interaction. To show improvement, a child needs to be motivated and pushed depending on its abilities. He invented the notion of zone of proximal development. All of these men, along with hundreds of scientists before, between, and after them, created the knowledge we have today about the brain and the way it works. Juggle is all about pushing this work forward. We envision a world where the most advanced scientific discoveries about the human functioning are available to all. During the year 2000, World Health Organization released the ICF for International Classification of Functioning, Disability and Health. It simply displays all of the components of human functioning: structure, function, abilities, external and personal factors. Our mission is to map all of the interactions between any of these components. A disability is always connected to a damaged structure, a limited function, or a personal or external factor. This is always true. The challenge is to find what's impaired or restricted. Juggle has released its first SaaS product, designed for specialized education schools. The team of professionals set general goals broken down into more specific goals. A smart questionnaire surveys the child's abilities to quickly discover Vygotsky's zone of proximal development. The results are displayed on the screen and the team can immediately decide on a strategy. This takes 10 minutes instead of the 5 hours required to do this job without Juggle. Now we won't stop there. Mapping human abilities, creating algorithms to study single cases, and displaying pertinent information has unlimited power. Think of the elderlies whose body structure declined progressively, impacting their functioning. We could predict that decline for anyone. Think of the surgeon who is planning, like Harvey Cushing, to perform surgery on a brain tumor. We could tell him in advance what impact the surgery will have on the patient's abilities when he or she goes out of the hospital. This was a sneak peek of Juggle. Come and visit us at Vivatech or online.